Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to use the Elliott Wave Indicator by LuxAlgo. If you want to add this, we click here on Library and search right here for the Elliott Wave. And if I click right here on Elliott on Enter, you see that I already see it from here. So this is Elliott Wave. And if you want to use this, we click right here on See Details. Then you see right here a massive explanation about how the indicator works and what the indicator does. And then here on the right, you see free access on the following platforms. Then right here, we can choose if you want to use this indicator for TradingView, NinjaTrader, MetaTrader 4 or 5. But Thinkorswim is not possible yet because that one is coming soon. But right now, if you select right here, TradingView, get access, you will get right here an instruction. And if you click here on get access, he will send us right here to the TradingView Elliott Wave website. And now if we select here use on chart, he will send us right here to the chart. And if I'm deleting the previous indicator, you will find right now here the Elliott Wave. So this is how you can use the Elliott Wave indicator on LuxAlgo. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.